Hey everyone, and welcome back to the kitchen. Today, we're going to talk about a tiny ingredient that packs a serious nutritional punch: chia seeds. These little black and white wonders have been gaining popularity for good reason, and trust me, they deserve a spot in your pantry. Don't let their size fool you. Chia seeds are nutritional powerhouses, loaded with goodness that can benefit your health in so many ways. Let's explore some of the amazing benefits these little guys offer and why is fiber so important. Well, it aids in digestion, helps regulate blood sugar levels, promotes feelings of fullness, which can assist in weight management, and even contributes to a healthy heart by helping to lower cholesterol levels. Think of it as the unsung hero for a happy gut. Now, let's move on to protein. For such tiny seeds, chia seeds offer a surprisingly good amount of protein. Protein is vital for building and repairing tissues, keeping you feeling satisfied, and supporting various bodily functions. Incorporating chia seeds into your meals and snacks can contribute to your overall protein intake, especially important for those leading active lifestyles or following plant based diets. But wait, there's more. Chia seeds are also packed with essential vitamins and minerals. And finally, let's not forget about the antioxidants found in chia seeds. Antioxidants help protect your body against free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging and various diseases. So, these tiny seeds are working hard on a cellular level to keep you healthy. One of the most popular ways to enjoy chia seeds is by making chia pudding. It's incredibly easy and versatile. Another super simple way to use chia seeds is by adding them to your smoothies. You can also simply sprinkle chia seeds on top of your yogurt, oatmeal, salads, or even your toast with avocado. So, there you have it. Chia seeds, tiny but mighty, packed with incredible benefits, and incredibly versatile in the kitchen. From delicious puddings to nutritious smoothies, and even as a baking aid, there are so many ways to incorporate these little powerhouses into your diet. Why not give them a try and experience the amazing benefits for yourself? Your body will thank you.